You might have seen The Hills Have Eyes.
The Hills Have Eyes!
You might have even seen The Hills Have Eyes too.
The Hills Have Eyes! Again!
But are you prepared for The Knob Has Eyes?
The Knob Has Eyes! What was that for? The Knob Has Eyes! What's up, dude? Why don't you freaking do that, dude?
The knob has eyes.
The Knob Has Eyes! Ah!
Hello?
The Knob Has Eyes! The Knob Has Eyes!
Well, The Hills Have Eyes 1 was awesome. It was amazing. Number 2, I don't know. It wasn't that good. The acting wasn't that good. And now that they're making The Knob Has Eyes, I don't know what to say.
What you see in this film may frighten you, it might disgust you, but the Hills are fed up of being Ray Charles, and now they have their own pair of eyes, and they're on the lookout for you. So this summer, be prepared for The Knob Has Eyes.
Down, you retard!
Come on, are you ready?
Yeah, do that exact tone.